Barbecue meatloaf without going outside. I'm gonna prep this meal using the Effin' Sharp utility knife. Very versatile for a lot of different kitchen prep work. As you can see, I'm just slicing through an onion vertically, now horizontally, and then vertically again to make a nice diced onion. Slice up some fresh garlic, nice and thin, and then you get those slices face down and just give it a rough chop. Into a large mixing bowl with your ground beef, ground pork, panko breadcrumbs, the diced onions and garlic that we prepped, some onion and garlic powder to enhance the flavor, mustard, barbecue sauce to make it barbecue meatloaf. We're gonna season it up additionally with some Worcestershire sauce, some salt and pepper, a couple of large eggs, and then we'll go down with some milk to help tenderize it and keep it nice and moist. Mix it thoroughly, but don't squeeze it. That's gonna make your meatloaf tough. You just wanna gently incorporate all the ingredients. Make it into a nice meatloaf form into an oven, 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Check for that internal temperature to be about 160. Top it off with some barbecue sauce, get it nice and tacky. Once it looks good, top it off with some onion rings, serve it up, and don't forget to check out effinsharp.com.